This video is to help you better understand Algebra 2, Semester 2, Final Exam Review, problem number 11. The learning target: I can divide a polynomial by a binomial using synthetic division. Our polynomial is x to the fourth plus 15x cubed plus 50x squared plus 14x minus 40. This is going to be divided by the binomial x plus 4. We're going to rewrite the binomial in the form of x minus a number. And we do it like this for synthetic division. This tells us that minus -4, we're going to use that -4 up here outside for our synthetic division. Our polynomial coefficients are going to go in the order of decreasing order. So x to the fourth has a coefficient of 1. X to the third has a coefficient of 15. X squared has a coefficient of 50. X to the first power has the coefficient of 14. And then the constant is -40. So it's important to understand how we set up synthetic division, and that we pay very close attention that we make sure we have our divisor, in this case it's a binomial, as x minus a number. We're going to go ahead and begin our synthetic division. To do synthetic division, we're first going to drop down the leading coefficient, which is 1, and then we're going to take -4, which is out here, times 1 to get -4, and we're going to add straight down, and this will give us 11. And then we're going to take that -4 times that new number that we created from adding down. That's going to give us -44. So we will add down again to get 6. -4 times 6 will give us -24. This will give us -10. And then finally, when we do -4 times -10, we're going to get +40. This gives us 0. That means that we have 0 as the remainder. Now, when we divide numbers and they come to be a remainder of 0, we say we found a factor of the number. So in this case, we have found that x plus 4, which is x minus -4, is a factor of this polynomial. In fact, we could say -4 is a root of this polynomial. So now that we have been asked only to divide the polynomial by the binomial, we can say that this polynomial, x to the fourth plus 15x third plus 50x to the second plus 14x minus 40 divided by x plus 4 will equal, the solution is our quotient, which is right here, and it's going to be x to the third plus 11x squared plus 6 minus 10. And for this problem, this would be our quotient. Now, if we were asked to find the other 3 roots for this polynomial, if it was set equal to 0 in the form of f of x equals 0, then we would have continued to look for more roots by continuing our synthetic division process. But for this problem, all it asked was for us to divide the polynomial by the binomial, and this is our quotient. Hope you found this helpful. If you need more practice or would like some examples like this done in class, please talk to your teacher. Have a good day or good evening.